Hey and welcome, thanks for tuning back in. This is Niels from GMC Mini Truck and I got a small update for you guys regarding the door jab switch. This one, as you might have seen in the previous video, or there is an issue with this one. So the door is now open, but there's no light. So if I wiggle this, see, then it works. So in the past I tried to replace this with a new one, but that new one was too long. Then not long ago I found out that those things are apparently self-adjusting. So let's give that a try. When you take the old one out, this one in this case, there are actually two tricks. One is if you turn it, then your wires are quite easily going to twist. So what I did is just press on the center tab and then you can turn it. Then at least your wires stay in the same position. So basically what you do, you fix this entire shaft and you just spin the threads around. Second tip, be careful not to drop your wires into the pocket behind, because then you will lose them. That sucks. So the thing with these is they are self-adjusting. You can see the difference here. So this one has a longer shaft here, that one is very short. So apparently what happens, if you close the door, this shaft will sink in. Hopefully that is indeed the case. Let's give it a try. The proof is in the pudding. It's now in. I used an 11mm wrench. So this switch is now working perfectly. And if I now close the door, this thing in its entirety should go in. Okay. Well, I can't really tell something happened, because this is the other one. So it still seems to be the same. Nothing deformed. But it does work. And that's all that matters, right? So let me see how this looks here. I think it's quite rusty. But maybe I will patch that one day. Well, that was an easy update. So yeah, hopefully all things go as easy as this. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye and toodaloo.